Number of applications received for 5 different positions in organization X during 5 years. Number of applications received for position C on Wednesday. C on Wednesday 115 is what percentage more than applications received for position A on Friday? A on Friday 80. So with respect to 80, 115 is 35 more out of 80 percentage into 100. So now 50 percentage of the denominator is equal to 40, but we have to subtract 5 more. That is more than 5 percentage of the denominator. More than 5 percentage, let me approximately treat it as 4%. Then answer would be nearby 44%. Answer should be close to 44 percentage. How many options are close to 44? Only one. Fifth option final. Is it clear? Next. What is the difference between total number of applications received for positions A, C together on Tuesday? A and C together on Tuesday, that was 96. D, E together on Thursday. Thursday, D and E together. 96 gets cancelled. Still how much is left? 143. Final answer. Next. What is the average number of applications received for position B on Monday, Thursday, Friday? B on Monday, Thursday and Friday. Okay, come on. Add only tens places. 120, 50. 170. 170, 40. 210. Next, 5 plus 1 plus 3, that is 9. 219. Our question is to identify average. 7, 3, 73. Fourth option. What is the respective ratio between total number of applications received for positions D on Tuesday, Wednesday together? D on Tuesday and Wednesday, both days together, it is 144, as it is ratio A is to B or A by B. E on Wednesday, Friday together. E on Wednesday and Friday together, that is 176. So now your numerator is 9 multiple, whereas your denominator is not a 9 multiple, not even a multiple of 3. Hence your first number must be 9 multiple. How many such options are there? 2 options are there. Here your second number is 11 multiple. Is your second number denominator 11 multiple? Yes. Is your numerator 144 11 multiple? No. Hence 9 is to 11, that must be the final answer. 30% of the number of applications received for positions D, E together on Monday were incomplete. What is the total number of complete applications received for positions D and E together? D, E together on Monday. D and E together on Monday. How much percentage? 160. Out of them 30%, that is 48 are incomplete. Then completed applications are 112. Second option. 46 to 50 number series. Next we'll start from question number 51 onwards. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 3 only. 3 into 3, 9 in numerator and denominator gets cancelled. Left over number 2, third option answer. Hope you guys followed. 204 plus 245, 449. 0.25, 0.75, 1. 449 plus 1, 450. Average divided by 3. Answer 150, first option. Next. Under root of 3024. 30 to 4 times is 128 and 88. When you add these two numbers, you get 216, which is which number cube? 6 cube, first option answer. 20%, 20%. So let us identify right hand side number as 20% of something. 3 can be written as 20% of which number? 20% of which number is equal to 3? 15 only? Come on. So 20%, 20%, 20% taken common. 9 plus x is equal to 15. Then x is equal to? First option. I just converted 3 as 20 percentage of 15. That's all. 9 plus x is equal to 15, x is equal to 6. First option. So we can write 125 as 5 cube. 1 by 5 whole cube to the power of 2 by 3. That means 1 by 5 whole square only. That means 1 by 25. Divided by 1 by 15 can be written as into 15 into 35. 5 times 5, 3 times 5, 7 times 7 threes, 21, fifth option. Over. Right, next. Right hand side 169, left hand side 168 minus x 160. 160 goes to the other side, minus 160. X square is equal to 9. 9 is which number square? 3 square, third option. Squaring on both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. Come on. X square into 6 plus 12 is equal to 36. 12 goes to right hand side. 36 minus 12, which is equal to 24. 6 how many times? If x square is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. Let us first complete division part. 1 8 by 27. That we can write it as 35 by 27. Correct? Divided by 1 2 by 3 in the sense 5 by 3. That can be written as into 3 by 5. 3 9 times, 5 7 times. So 3 1 by 9 minus 7 by 9. First of all, if you subtract 7 by 9 from 1 by 9, still how much is left? 6 by 9 minus 6 by 9, that is minus 2 by 3. 3 minus 2 by 3, that is 2 1 by 3. Two 1 by 3, fifth option. Minus 8 goes to the other side. 6 plus 8, 14. Then x is equal to 266 divided by 14 only. 4 into which number ends with 6? Either 4 or 9. So answer must end with either 4 or 9, and there is only one. Fourth option final. Over. Next. Divided by x goes to right hand side. So you'll have 30 percentage of 210 divided by 70. Is it clear? This is 3 multiple. This is also 3 multiple. So total numerator 9 multiple. But in denominator you don't have 9 multiple, not even 3 multiple. So answer must be 9 multiple. Only one option, fifth option final. Otherwise 70 3 times. 30% of 3 is 0.9. Right. Take this number to right hand side. Number before decimal and after decimal. Right hand side already we have 1.6. This number 338.7 goes to right hand side and becomes positive number. Here you have 8.7. Total it is 10.3. That means 0.3. Next, from that, if 513.4 goes to right hand side, from that you will have to subtract 3.4. Then answer must be 6.9. Answer must end with 6.9. Yes, fifth option, final answer. Minus x goes to right hand side, and right hand side plus 4 will go to left hand side and becomes minus 4. Already minus 1.5 minus 4, that is minus 5.5 we have, correct? Yes. To make it round figure 2, how much we need to add? 0.0005. And to make this round figure, how much we need to add? 0050. Next, 0.0500. So I'll take this number as 222, that is 6. Still we have to subtract 0.05 0, 5, 5, 5 from this number, correct? Already there is a negative number which is minus 5.5, and again after that we have to subtract 0.0555. That means we have to finally subtract 5.5555 from 6 only. That means answer is 0.444, yes, 4 and 5. 0.0005, 0.445, 0.445. Which option is that? Fifth option, final. Next. This number goes to right hand side, and from 10 we have to subtract it, correct? Right, forget about decimal for some time. 45 into 4, 45 double only? 45 double, 90 double, 180. Now consider decimal. Here in 4.5 we have 1 digit after decimal and 0.4 1 digit after decimal. So finally after multiplication we should get 2 digits after decimal. So that means 1.8. 4.29 into 1.8. This must be subtracted from 10. That is our final answer, correct? Last digit verification. 8 into 9 ends with, when 2 is subtracted from 0, answer must end with, how many options are there? 2 options are there, either second option or fifth option. Hence we have to calculate this. Come on. 1.8 times in the sense 2 times minus 0.2 times, 2 times of this number, 8.58. 0.2 times 0.858. This must be subtracted. So this is 2277. 7.7722. Is it clear? So from 10, if you subtract 7.722, then answer must end with 2.278. 2.278, fifth option answer. Understood? Again, here also you need not to complete the entire answer. You know that your answer is either third option or fifth option. 10 minus 7 point something, in the sense answer will be in 2 point something. Second cannot be your answer, fifth final answer. 63, 5 times. 65 times? 65 times. 5 into 3, 15. So total 315. From 333, if 315 is subtracted, how much is that? And then the other number, 9. 189. 63, how many times? 3 times. That is total 53. 53 is subtracted from 503. Then how much you'll have? 450 is equal to 2 into x square. Then x square is equal to divided by 2, which is equal to 225. 225 is which number square? Yes. Come on. 1755 divided by 13 into 165 divided by 55. Yes. 1755. Is it 9 multiple? In denominators, do you have 9 multiple? At least 3 multiple? Then answer must be 9 multiple. First option, possible or not? Yes. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth option? No. Fifth option? First option, final answer. Over. Now let us start arithmetic questions, which starts from 31 onwards. Right. The distance travelled upstream by a boat in 2 hours is 12 kilometers less than the distance travelled by downstream by the same boat in the same time. Same time, how much is the time you mentioned? 2 hours. Difference between downstream and upstream is equal to 2s only? Yes. So in 2 hours, how much is the distance difference? 12 kilometers. Then per hour? 6 kilometers. Per That means 2s is equal to 6 kilometer per hour only. From that, s is equal to 3 kilometer per hour. Second option, final answer. Have you understood all? Difference between downstream and upstream is 2s. Sum of downstream and upstream? 2m. 2m. When a certain sum of money is divided for 2 years at 10% per annum, it amounts to 3872. Had the rate of interest been 30%, what would have been the amount received after 2 years? Amount received after 2 years. Now, which interest type is it? Simple or compound? Compound interest at the rate of 10% per annum for 2 years is 121% only. So, which is equal to 3872. Then 1% is divided by 121. And now, had the rate of interest been 30% per annum, compound interest for 2 years at 30% per annum? 69%. Then amount? 169%. And this is what we want to calculate now? Yes, now numerator ends with 2 into 9. Denominator ends with 1 into which number ends with 8? So your answer must end with 8 only. How many options are there? 3 options are there. 3 possibilities, correct? It may be first option, third option, or fourth option. So we have to calculate this. So let's do it. 121, 3 times, 363, correct? And still you know that there is some number going, some number will come here, correct? 169, approximately treat it as 170. What is 173 times? 510. That means your answer must start with 5 only. I can eliminate first option and third option. Fourth option is our final answer. Hope you got it. First, by using last digit 8, we eliminated second option and then fifth option. Then 3 options are there. When you observe them, 2 options are starting with 4,000 something and 1 option starting with 5,000. So I just verified first digit. Okay. Next. Jar A contains XML mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio 5:2. Jar B contains XML, same content, mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio 4:3. Which is added to jar A? If the resultant quantity of water in jar A is 45 ml, what is the value of X? So X is divided into what particular ratio? Total how many parts are there? That means X must be 7 multiple. Is there first option 7 multiple? Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth option? No. Fifth final answer, done. X is divided into 5:2 ratio, 7 parts. So it has to be a multiple of 7. The ratio between X plus 12 and Y is 9:8. If 84 is 250% more than Y, what is the value of X? Right, I don't need data. X plus 12 is how many parts? 9 parts must be a multiple of 9 only. That means if you add 12, it has to be a multiple of 29 plus 12. How much is that? Is 41 9 multiple? Eliminate. Next option plus 12. 27. Is that 9 multiple? That may be your answer. Hold it. Third option is direct 9 multiple. That can never be the answer. 9 multiple plus 12 can never be a 9 multiple, right? Fourth option also cannot be your answer because that is direct 9 multiple. Fifth option plus 12. 37. Is 37 9 multiple? Second option, final answer. You don't have to use the data. After adding 12 to X, it must be a multiple of 9. The percentage of Mahesh is 4 times the Madhu's percentage. 8 years hence, after 8 years, their average age will be 53 years. What was Mahesh age 9 years ago? Okay. See, after 8 years, if their average is 53, then to get present average, we have to subtract 8 years only. 53 minus 8. 45. 45 is average for how many members? Then sum must be equal to, and now out of this 90, one person age is 4 times of another person age. Agreed or not? That means if one number is 4 parts, the other number is 1 part only. How many parts we have total? If 90 is divided into 5 parts, each part is equal to 18 and the other number is 72. 72 is Mahesh age and Madhu's age is 18. Now your question is to identify what was Mahesh age 9 years ago. So Mahesh present age is 72. From this we have to subtract 9. Answer 63. Subtract 10, add 1. 63, fifth option, final answer. Over. A train 234 meters long traveling at a 57 km per hour can cross the platform in 36 seconds. If a train crosses the platform, distance covered is equal to train length plus platform length only, which is equal to speed into time, where only train has speed, which is 57 km per hour. 57 km per hour converted into meter per second. 5 by 18. In how much time it can cross the platform? 36. That means 18 2 times, 5 into 2, 10 into 57, 570. From this, x value is equal to minus 234, which is 336. Followed? Now what is your question? A man can cross the same platform in 4 minutes. The speed of the man is in meter per second. So if a man crosses the platform, distance covered is platform length, which is 336, divided by time taken was 4 minutes. Minutes converted into seconds, that is 60 only. Come on, 6 10 times, 6 50 6 times, 4 14 times, 14 by 10 1.4 meter per second. Fourth option answer. Are you done? An interest of 3,240 is earned when 9,000 is invested for 3 years at the rate of R% per annum, simple interest. What will be the interest earned when the same sum is invested at the rate of R minus 3% per annum, simple interest, for how many years? 3 years. Rate of interest may be anything. You are asked to calculate it for 3 years. Am I right? On principal. What is the principal? Come on. What is 1% of it? 90. That is a 9 multiple. Then whatever percentage you calculate, that is also going to be 9 multiple. Your answer also going to be 9 multiple. Is your first option 9 multiple? No. Second? No. Third? No. Fourth? No. Fifth has to be your answer, final. Next. The average weight of 32 students of a class was 48.25. After 8 new students joined the class, its average weight increased by 1.25. Because of new students, average weight is more. Am I right? Then average of these 8 people will be definitely more or less to 48.25. Definitely more. Okay. Next. Average increased by how much? For how many people? For 40 people. This 1.25 is the change in average for the total group, right? Total group in the sense, already how many people are there? 32. How many new joined? Then how many are there? For these 40 people, average increased by 1.25 only. So that extra weight that we have is 40 into 1.25. Am I right? Now can we directly add a number to average? No, we were asked to calculate average of 8 new students. Agreed or not? So this extra weight is just because of new joinees, that is 8 members only. So to convert into average, divided by 8 over 8, how many times? 5 times. 5 into 1.25, 6.25. 48.25 plus 6.25, 54.50 or 5. Third option, final answer. The breadth of the rectangular field is 40% less than the length of the field. See, if length is 100%, breadth becomes 40% less. That means 60% only. So, ratio between length and breadth is 5 parts, breadth is 3 parts. Is this clear? Next. If the total cost of fencing is usually done for perimeter or area or volume? Perimeter. So for rectangle, perimeter in the sense 2 times of L plus B. What is L plus B in terms of number of parts? 2 times of it. So that is equal to perimeter. And total cost of fencing the perimeter, fencing the rectangular field at the rate of 20 rupees per meter was 960. So then area used for fencing, that is 960 divided by 20 only. 0 gets cancelled. 2 how many times? 48 times. From this P is equal to 3. And you know that length was 5 parts. 5 3s 15. Breadth was 3 parts. 3 3s 9. And you are asked to calculate area, that is length into breadth. 15 into 9, that is equal to 135. Fourth option answer. Are you guys following? Next. The height of the triangle is equal to perimeter of the square, whose diagonal is 7 root 2. Diagonal in the sense that is a root 2. If a root 2 is equal to 7 root 2, root 2 gets cancelled, then a is equal to 7 only. But height is equal to perimeter of the square. Perimeter in the sense 4a. 4a is equal to, that is 28. Then height of the triangle is equal to 28. We got this number. Okay. Next. Base of the same triangle, that is B, is equal to side of the square whose area is 576. If square area is 576, 576 is which number square? Then side of the square is equal to 24 only, which is equal to base of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? Triangle area, half BH, half base into height. 2 how many times? 14 times. 24 14 times. Last digit verification. 4 into 4 ends with, how many options are there? Only one. Fourth option final. Yes. Yes, we are done with it.